Numerous cryptographic forms of money took off to new all-time highs during the 2021 bull run. Conversely, some digital forms of money have dropped in esteem. Because of such market-logical inconsistencies, numerous crypto brokers and financial backers might be confounded about whether the time has come to hodl or sell their resources while the costs are great. In this video, we will investigate the assessments of various crypto specialists on Matic's future exchanging open doors and investigate our Polygon cost forecast. Matic is a cryptographic money of the Polygon organization, previously known as Matic Network, which was established in 2017 by three Indian programmers, Jayant Kanani, Sandeep Nailwal, and Anurag Arjun. The Polygon Network means to tackle the issues related with the Ethereum blockchain, for example, high exchange expenses and organization blockage without forfeiting security. The task plans to invigorate cryptographic forms of money's mass reception by tending to the versatility issues experienced by numerous blockchains. The Polygon Network offered a second-level arrangement, rather than going through with exchanges straightforwardly on the Ethereum organization. Polygon itself processes them first. It is an extra throughout the second biggest cryptographic money, as far as market cap, which permits clients to draw on with the ETH blockchain without managing high gas charges or low exchange speeds. The Polygon blockchain can possibly handle up to 7,200 exchanges each second, TPS. For examination, this pointer is equivalent to around 15 for Ethereum. Matic, Polygon's local token, is an ERC20 token in light of the Ethereum blockchain, meaning it tends to be put away in any Ethereum wallet, including Ado and MetaMask. Also, tokens are utilized for installment administrations on Polygon and for settlements between clients who work on the Polygon exchanging stage. Look at the video underneath for more data about the Polygon digital money's highlights. Polygon has fared significantly better compared to numerous other digital currencies during the 2022 bear market. Rather than ceaselessly diminishing in esteem, it figured out how to hold some key help levels and has even begun rising once more. This was to some degree because of the enormous scope organizations the cryptographic money has reported during spring and summer of 2022. To be specific, the ones with Coca-Cola and Disney, as well as additional promotion of Layer 2 scaling arrangements. Matic is showing great outcomes and is by all accounts pursuing a drawn-out bullish direction. For its transient possibilities, see the TradingView gadget beneath, refreshed continuously. On the off chance that it shows a purchase signal, that implies Matic cost is as of now bullish and is probably going to rise. Assuming that the sign is sell, that implies Polygon is right now negative. Numerous dealers and experts consider this task very encouraging and anticipate that its cost will rise both in the short and long haul. In any case, nobody knows without a doubt the way in which Matic will really perform. Many variables might influence a coin's cost presentation. This is a few specialists' opinion on this cryptographic money's future cost. Polygon cost forecast. The worth of Matic might go down to as low as $0.035 by July 2023. Their gauge is extraordinarily negative, and they rate this digital money as a terrible long-haul venture. Polygon price prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of Polygon costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Polygon will be 83 cents. The most extreme level that the Matic cost can reach is 96 cents. The typical exchanging cost is normal around 87 cents. Matic price forecast for September 2022. In view of the value variances of Polygon toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical Matic pace of 82 cents in September 2022. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at 75 cents and at 84 cents, separately. October 2022, Polygon price forecast. Cryptographic money specialists are prepared to declare their conjecture for the Matic cost in October 2022. The base exchanging cost may be 80 cents, while the greatest could reach 88 cents during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Polygon may be around 83 cents. Matic price forecast for November 2022. Crypto examiners have actually looked at the value changes of Polygon in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal Matic rate they foresee may be around 85 cents in November 2022. It can drop to 81 cents as a base. The most extreme worth may be 92 cents. December 2022, Polygon price forecast. Around mid-year 2022, the Matic cost will be exchanged at 87 cents overall. December 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Polygon worth to 96 cents. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than 83 cents in December 2022. Polygon price prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of Polygon in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of Polygon will be around $1.57. The greatest expected Matic cost might be around $1.88. Overall, the exchanging cost may be $1.61 in 2023. Polygon price prediction 2024. In view of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Polygon, in 2024, Matic is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about $2.29 and $2.68, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $2.37. Polygon price prediction 2025. The specialists in the field of digital currency have examined the costs of Polygon and their changes during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2025, the base Matic cost could drop to $3.39, while its greatest can reach $3.97. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $3.50. Polygon price prediction 2026. In view of the examination of the expenses of Polygon by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least Matic costs are normal in 2026, $6.06 and $5.12. By and large, it will be exchanged at $5.29. Polygon price prediction 2027. Crypto specialists are continually breaking down the changes of Polygon. In light of their expectations, the assessed typical Matic cost will be around $7.54. It could drop to at least $7.28, yet it actually could reach $8.84 all through 2027. Polygon price prediction 2028. Consistently, cryptographic money specialists get ready gauges at the cost of Polygon. It is assessed that Matic will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $10.76 and $12.42 in 2028. Its typical expense is normal at around $11.